Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign in into the online banking account of Kearny Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a www.kearnybank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Kearny Bank, you can see the option of login on top right side of the screen. You click on it. Here you can see two types of account, that is personal banking or the business banking. You can go with login through any of this banking. As I am going with the personal banking, here you need to provide your username. Then you go in for providing your password. Here, after providing both the details, you need to click on submit, where you will be able to directly get logged in into your online banking account of Kearny Bank. Just in case if you forgot your password of the online banking account of Kearny Bank, you need to click on the link given below, that is forgot password. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to recover your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the online banking account of Kearny Bank. Thank you.